If you own a Shopify store or are thinking about opening one up, you're likely looking around for a high-quality Shopify theme. Envato Market is home to over 1,200 Shopify themes and templates that are highly customizable and easy to use. Let's have a look at Envato Market's best-selling Shopify themes specifically for fashion and apparel brands. Be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel as we will be covering other industries over the coming weeks. Plus, we are constantly creating video tutorials on how to enhance your Shopify store and sell more online. So first up on our fashion and apparel theme list, we have the Boom Shopify theme. Boom is a single product Shopify theme that comes with over 30 demos. It comes with an attractive mega menu where you can include photos, as well as a wish list for customers to add their favorite products to. While shopping, your customers can feel a sense of urgency thanks to the stock information displayed on the product page. We also have the number of items sold in the last 18 hours, which entices customers to make the purchase. The cart features a smooth slide-out function, which adds a modern feel to this Shopify theme. Next, we have the November Shopify theme. This stunning theme comes with 15 pre-made demos that you can instantly use on your Shopify store. This theme has a 5-star rating on Envato Market, and it comes with a live search bar where you can view results as you type, as well as a powerful filtering system. Both of these features allow your customers to navigate through your site with ease and help them to find the products that they're looking for. You really can't go wrong with this clean and minimal Shopify theme. Number 3 on our list is Lusion. Lusion is a multi-purpose Shopify theme that comes with 25 modern and trendy demos. This theme was built using a mobile-first design, meaning that it works seamlessly on phones and tablets. Plus, with Google giving preference to mobile-friendly websites, this theme is sure to help you increase your Google ranking. Just like we saw in the last theme, we've got a live search here. And depending on the demo, you'll notice small animations that make the store more exciting and will keep your customers' attention. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll often see the sale pop-up notification. This feature is key in that it builds trust and tells visitors that your products are a hit. Next up, we have the Beloria Shopify theme. This all-in-one e-commerce theme has an incredibly fast loading time and supports multiple languages. Along with its minimal and creative design, this theme comes with 28 demos. It features a hefty filtering system on the collection page, and the product image rollover is a nice added touch. Do keep in mind when you purchase any of these Shopify themes, you get all of the demos with your purchase. You aren't married to just one, and you can change them over time. The last website theme on our list is the Vendy Shopify theme. Vendy is modern, minimal, and clean, and comes with 10 different demos. The attractive mega menu allows you to add images and different sections to your menu. The collection pages allow your customers to view and sort through a collection in multiple ways, making for a truly custom shopping experience. It comes with multiple page layouts to choose from that all feature a sleek size guide that's a great addition to any clothing store. And there you have it, Envato Market's top-selling fashion and apparel Shopify themes. If you'd like to see more Shopify videos, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel and let us know in the comments if you'd like for us to cover any other industry when it comes to website themes.